there is a limitation, you cannot make complex design. So we have a booklet here. Fine. So in a booklet there are many butterfly dies. So this is the design of goggles. So I have made 1, 2, 3 parts. So now the last part is how to combine this. So now what I will do? First I will stick the tape to this. Fine. So this same thing we can use again and again.
Okay.
Fine. Then I can take it out by using this. First part. Now we have made in 3 parts. So up now we can combine all these 3 parts. And you can wear this goggle also. You can see we have made with the hand now, so it is not that good.
Precision is not there.
So like these 3 parts is connected. So in this way you can just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. After you have to combine each part one by one. So now I will show you how to combine it. So what you will do, this is the 3D plan. The first thing you will put a power cord. This is the filament again. Now if you want to turn it on, this on and off.
Is that the same filament?
Same filament. So if I click on button, so that light is coming. Again if I click on, so it is showing.
Blinking.
Now blinking means it is heating, because it also needs heat now to melt this. So I can remove it this way. So it is now, once it is becomes blue, it is ready to use. And here you can see arrow button. So this is like a pause and play button. I click on play button, you can see filament is going inside, and now it will come from here. And this is also little hot. So you can see it is loading. Now filament, now stop. If you want to stop it, stop. Not really. So we have to clean the nozzle with this butter, so it will not touch it. Right? So now I have to attach it. Now how to attach it? First I will put this goggle over here. Fine. This is right side. This is left side. So now how to attach it? Like this. No? It will also use as a glue gun kind of a thing. Fine.
That's also done.
So now what I have to do? First I will flat this. I can remove the extra part. So it should be flat. So now if I click on this, it is coming.
Yes.
Now I will put it dry immediately. Even I can put over here to give more strength. So we will wait for 1 minute. So now the next side, this one same level, it is flat. First I will drop some. I am using it as a Fevicol like a kind of a thing, and we have to move it quick because it dries very fastly. To give more strength. So our focus again, we can remove the extra 3D pen which is removed by this 3D printer. So in this way you can use even here also. You can yes. You can create.
We can draw and do.
You can draw.
Draw,
Then you can put
this page.
this over this, so that you can draw it. So you can see this car. So 10-15 designs is there, like Taj Mahal. Then this flower.
Petals.
So you have to make a flower part. Then you have to combine each by one. So at that you can make it using a fried filament, because you can then paint it also. So this is the booklet. So again, if you want to turn it on, click on off again. So now it is removing the filament. Inside now,
To save
the electricity, to save the time, to save the filament. So now this is the robotic section. For robot, so this is the remote control. It's a wire robot. So here you can see button 0 and 1. 0 means off, 1 means on. So if you want to turn it on, click first on, then put it on. So here forward, backward, left and right. In this way you can move. Here the surface is smoothness, so tire is not working properly. This is the first robot. We need some friction to the tire. You can try it.
This is the front side.
That's right. This is having a rechargeable battery inside this, because after 10-15 minutes it will get drained. So again, first turn it off, and this is the charger for this. You have to plug the charger over here for 30 to 45 minutes. So it will give you the time for 10 to 15 minutes to work. Then this is the line follow. We will do it later. I have to make a line, a black line, a zigzag line. So to always follow that line. So I will make a design in the last. Then Bluetooth control robot. I will share the app with you. So again, turn it on. So you see light is coming inside. So now put. So let me use my mobile phone. Go to settings. In the mobile phone, go to settings. Go to Bluetooth. Open the Bluetooth. So the name of this Bluetooth is HC05. So it will come. HC05. Can you turn on fan? So HC05. And it is asked for password. Password is 1234. 1234. Save. It comes here in a paired. So now you have to open the app. So I will share the app with you. So the app is Bluetooth RC car app. Earlier it was available on the Play Store. Right now the Play Store has been removed. So I have to send the link. So now it is showing red, which means it is not connected. So there is a setting button. Connect to car. You will ask which car? HC05. Fine. Green. I can increase the car speed. Maximum. Now forward, backward, left and right. So now you can put some hurdles in the room. So we have conducted event with this. So we have made a path, we have put some bricks, hurdles, and then a stopwatch. So they have given the task, this remote to the student. We have to move from point A to the finishing line in the very less time. So it will, you can conduct the event also. Forward, it's like a humanoid kind of thing. Fine. It also having a rechargeable battery inside. Here you can see a small blue button. It is the on and off button. Right now it is off. If you click on, so it is moving. If something is coming in front of it, it will generate some noise. Then stop and change the path.
Change the direction.
Yes. So it is basically arranged with servo motors. Normally motors will move in 360 degree clockwise or anti-clockwise. So here it is having in front of the sensor. Here it is slipping, so the floor is very slippy. Fine. So if you want to turn it again, press here. And if it get discharged, so we have given this charger and this is the power cord. You have to place it here, not here. This is not for the charging, this is for the charging. You can place it over here, it will charge for 30 to 40 minutes. It will give you time of 10 to 15 minutes. Now, next thing, see. So this is the hungry robot, or you can call it the trash bin. So what we will do? This is sensor. This is the garbage. Anything like small thing. Suppose this is the garbage, or you can say. See. So this is sensor. You have to put in front of the sensor like this, and you have to quickly remove your hand. So it will eat the things. No. So you have to put like this. So this is the IR sensor. It detects the presence of obstacle. So there is a coding inside this, and these all robots are 3D printed. You can see these parts are not available in the market. These are customized parts. We design with the software and we print with the 3D printer. Then you can see for making this thing, we need one part, second part, then bottom third part, four part, one inside fifth part. Then a combination of 6 parts, then we assemble it. So in the same way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts for making one robot. So 3D print is used for prototyping, not for bulk production. Now some circuits are given here. At the back side, we have to add this more one. So this is a smart night lamp. So in smart cities, now the night lamps or street lights have been replaced by automatic street light. You know, otherwise one person has to go click, and another in the morning they have to click it off. So it will, suppose if it is coming 30 minutes late, so 30 minutes into 100 lights electricity waste. So now what it will do? This is a light sensor. You put light sensor. Light is on. So if we close all the lights in the room, it will automatically turn it on. We can remove the battery cell also. Then touchless door. Like in the COVID times, nobody is touching the doors of everyone. So this can be made if someone is going. So again, it is the IR sensor. It is sending an infrared light, and if there is any obstacle, there is a reflection. If there is no obstacle, it will go keeping on like this. So if you just click on the remote button and open your camera, you will see infrared light can be easily visible. This is again the same one, the burglar alarm. It will work on the same concept. If someone is near, it will turn it on. Our science models will start. Electricians से ना वो model लगवाना है. It will work. So it's a infinity light turbine. We have to turn it on right now. Na one wire is broken, so we have to repair that wire. It will work. So if this light is on, so you will see the number of reflection. You will see this is one light, na, but you will see the number of lights is coming from the back side. And then we have. So the seasonal operators. How if the earth is moved towards the sun, we are having a summers. If it is going to move from far, so we have a winters. So this is how the seasons form on earth. Right now we are not showing the electrical part. We should be having electrical part, but due to the machinery complexity, we have shown just like how the summers and winters are happening on the earth. And here the instruction is given, right? So So at the back side you will find the same thing. Then we have this is the color shadow. So now we are having RGB, red, green and blue. So with a mixture of this we can make multiple colors. And these all are dark room experiments. So if it's a dark room, na, if we can close all the lights, so we will. So first turn it on. This one power cord is here. You have to make power cord here and turn it on. Green, blue and red. So if we combine green and blue together, it will form new color. I think it's a cyan color. And if I mix this red color with this, it will form another color. If I put this, then so you can teach the student primary colors, secondary colors, how these two colors are mixing and get the new color. So here instruction is given in earlier, like the pins, both this, it works well, natural street, light will move up and down. So green, red and blue. Then we first we will complete this solar system models. So this is the day and night model of an Earth. So this is acting as a sun, front of facing towards the sun having a day, and the part which is opposite side having a night. So right now it is having a day in India. So it should be have a night in America or that south continent, so that South America, North America having the night. So in the same way, if Americans is having the day, so Indians or Asians we are having a night, because Earth is this circular, so it revolves and it takes around 24 hours to complete one revolution. One rotation. So this is the day and night model of an Earth. So now this is the solar and lunar eclipse. So now you can see if the moon is coming in between, because you can see. So now you can know that the moon is between sun and earth. So it means it will not allow the earth to see the sun. So it means it is a solar eclipse. So you will see the shadow on this point. So you will see. So that's why in the news now you will see that this solar eclipses are only happening in Asia, not in America, because it depends on which part is having facing towards the sun. Now if we move this moon at the back side, so now the moon is getting the shadow from sun only, but now the earth is in between, so we cannot see the moon. So it's a lunar eclipse. So which part is facing that thing can see the lunar eclipse. So that's why the news will show that lunar eclipse is only happening in India and in Asia, not in the America. So it depends upon the geographical location where you can see the solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. And this first we complete the solar system models. Then so we are having start with this. So anyway, because we don't know which planet is this. And for the supporting this, you can show the VR, how this is moving. Right? So this is the Earth and the Moon is there. So all the 8 planets are moving around the Sun. Even the Sun is also moving at the epicenter of this solar system. So this is how solar systems work. Then we have the Moon. So you can see. This is some predefined constellation here: Pegasus, Gemini, Hercules, Cygnus, Lupus, Scorpius. Okay. So these are stars. In some of the stars you are coming out, you have to click it out because the laser printing. So you can click here and it will come out with a pen or some pencil. So suppose if you want to see most common Scorpius. What is the name? That's the Gemini. So just put over here. And you can see over here the Gemini pattern. You can see it.
7 stars.
So this is the limit. Sky map. It's available in the Android. Yes. Now do it by yourself.
Media.
No, change, not change media. Print from media.
Print from media.
Now it is asking alphabet, design, geometrical shape or numbers.
Number तो
Design.
You can print your school name
Design
one by one
design
alphabet.
from-
6 hours ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊತಾರೆ
Alphabet. Now A to Z, you can print anyone.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲೆಟರ್
ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಳನ್ರಿ
You can type your
ಸರ್
school
ಜಿ
name
ಎಚ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ ಸರ್
KHP
ಅಲ್ರಿ ಎಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ರೀ ಈಗ ಹ್ಞೂ
rotate print.
ಮತ್ತು ಅಗೇನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ದ ನಾಟ್
ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ press ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ರಿ ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾಂ
Pause the print temperature.
ಹ್ಞೂ ನೋಸಲ್
Nozzle
ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್
temperature. 360. Click now.
Main.
Main. Enforce main. Yes.
and just wait for some time.
ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ತೆಗೆದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದು ತೆಗೆದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಒಂಚೂರು ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಐತ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಲು ಬರ್ತದೆ
Sir, this one picture select. External
ಡಿಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇದಾವಲ್ರಿ ಗೌತಮ್ ಬುದ್ಧಂದು ಐತಂತಲ್ಲ
ಆಯ್ತು
ಆಯ್ತು
ಇಲ್ರಿ ನಾವು ಈಗ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಫೋಟೋ ಇದು
ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು
ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಕಳ್ಸಿರ ಅವ್ರ ಇದನ್ನ
ಅದು ಕೋಡ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಂತ ಅವರು So statue में सिर्फ गौतम बुद्ध ही है.
नहीं, there are so many. There is one website where you can find.
No, in this.
Right now we are only Gautam Buddha.
Gautam Buddha.
If you want some more design, you can contact us. I will send it to you.
Okay.
Then you just only need copy the design and paste in the memory card.
Saraswati वाला.
You can.
ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ
हाँ कोड का साइन ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕೋಡ್
When is not design is failed, stop the design. So right now it is working fine. Then let's move next.
ಟೈಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್
So let's move there. Again it will. So now this is.
ಇದಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನೇಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು
6. So in the same way you can make the circuit for this is the bulb, this is for the bulb. So let's try for buzzer. So red and black. 1.5, 3, 4.5, 6. So now if you want to use the buzzer with the switch, so now what we will do? We'll make a switch connection. So one this and and then this. The switch breaks the path. So ideally what we are doing, this is a direct path, but switch will break the path. Like this. So in this way you can try the motor, buzzer, number of this. So these wires can be used. Rheostat, you can increase and decrease the voice. Increase and decrease the, because rheostat is a variable resistance. With the resistance variation, there is a change of variation in the circuit. So if high current is there, so the buzzer output will be very louder, the bulb will be very brighter. If the current is lower, which means resistance is higher, so then the bulb will be dimmer, buzzer will be having very less voice. So in this way you can write the combination. So I am removing the wires. Of current, whenever the current flowing in any circuit, two types of effect will develop: electric and magnetic. Oh, sorry, magnetic and because this compass is, this needle is magnetic, and when the current is start flowing, it makes a magnetic effect of this. It will deflect the, like it will be attraction or repulsion.
ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ.
ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಮಾಡೋದು
The floating blue experiment. So here we have a normal fan, which is like which is generating the air, and this is moving, and we are using this flask kind of a thing. So it is directing the winds towards the upper side, and the ball is very light, which makes it floating. It's like a fun activity. There's a difference between the series and the parallel combination. The wiring at our home is connected in parallel combination. Why? Because if one, it won't affect the another damage. So it will not affect your TV, your LEDs, your mobile phones. So they are all in the parallel connections. If one, see, this one bulb is not working, so it is not affecting the second. If second bulb is not working, it is not affecting the third bulb. So in this time, we check the bulb. This one. It is not affecting the other one. So this is the benefit for using the parallel combination. If any appliance will damage, it won't affect the another appliances. So on the another hand, we are having so there is a Vinay, deflection in this container 40 microampere. Now you can try 90 microampere. It is very minute. So you will not get shock from each other.
10⁻⁶. ಇದು ಗೌನ್ ಮೈಕಂದ್ರೆ
Effects developed during, so So now this is the nichrome wire. So when there is a increase in temperature, it becomes expand, and when the temperature is again it will contract. So we can touch it also, but it is quite very hot, so we will not touch it. So what we are doing, we are putting a load. If it is expanding, it will go down. Sir, right? On. It is going down a little bit. If I again it will come up. It is very minute. You have to be straight. It is very good. Okay. This. Slightly
Going down.
Can you see?
Yes.
If I move it, again it will go up. Because we cannot touch it now because it is very hot.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಇರೋಲ್ಲ
It is showing like there is no,
ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್
but generally it is a transparent pipe. It is sending the water up. It is like there from where the water is coming. But generally the pump is there. It is getting the power up, and then water is getting down. Because of transparency, it is looking like there is no pipe inside. You can adjust it so that you cannot see the pipe. From this side, if you see now, the pipe is not visible. There is no magic. Like there is a copper winding between the magnets. So this is just a demonstration. Here you can see the fan is there. Then this is the just move up. This is having a high viscosity. Look like it. Now it will take very much slow. This is the viscosity tube model. It must be having a very dense liquid. Might be like a olive oil kind of a thing. If you just see, it is going upside like this. Fine. But as per the gravity, everybody will has to be pushed towards the ground. But it will move away to the center of gravity. Why it is moving uphill? Because its shape is like this. The center of pressure, center of mass is here, which is moving like this. This is a transistor. So from one point you will see it will move like a base. From this point you have to look. So if you have a wooden scale now, just put a scale like this and then move it. Now can you see?
Yes.
From this view you can see transparency. This is how the sound wave moves. Like this. Scale will be better. That will be better.
Yes.
And this is for the electroplating. We have to put a copper sulfate solution. So you can see the deposition of copper to this. We have to apply a battery. So this is normal one experiment. Then here we are having an electroscope. So electroscope is a component or an instrument which is detect for the same charge, presence of same charge. When same charges are present in a same strip, it will repel. Generally it will be done with the help of gold leaf, but due to the costing, the gold leaf is very much expensive. So we have used this one. A small gold leaf is there. So what you have to do, you have to take a balloon, drop on your hair, then put a balloon near to this. So you will see both the strips will open up. Because in the same strip, when we are rubbing the hair, the same charge is going to the balloon. Either if it is negative or if it is positive. Suppose it is the negative, it will go here. Then on the gold leaf, the negative charge is going to both the strips. So now the same charge repel each other. So which will prove the electroscope, which is a device used to detect the presence of same charge only. It cannot detect if the charge is opposite, only the same charge. So now the Maxwell wave. So this is the concept of potential energy and energy can have transform from one form to another form. So now at certain height it is having a potential energy. Now if I release it, it converts into kinetic energy. Again it will retrieve back. So again conversion will be going on up to certain repetition. So now here we have a galvanometer just to see the deflection and the charge in wave. If we want to see the light, you have to move it very fast. You can see the deflection. When it is going towards this copper winding, and it is moving, it means we are generating the current, which is the same concept of dynamo, or you can say generator. This is a dynamo. So here I have this cover. मैंने वो हो गया कंप्लीट.
सब मैं ट्राई कर सकती हूँ निकालना. आई वॉन्ट टू ट्राई टू रिमूव इट. ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಲ್ಲ?
ಮೇಲಿನ ಎರಡು ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಎರಡು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ
सर
ಮಾಡಿ
पहले डायरेक्टली आई टू रिमूव.
नहीं मतलब आप पहले
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ
Then put
सड़ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲಿ
ये कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
नहीं, कुछ
बंद करेंगे तो
बैंड करो. इधर से
नहीं उसमें पहले जैसे ही तो है लेकिन वो नहीं रहा ना सर.
ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ ಹೆಸರು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಉಲ್ಟಾ
it is only balancing over this, because there is a concept of center of mass. Center of mass is here only, so which is balancing. Not like this. You are always balancing towards this pinpoint. So now there is a concept of inclined plane. So there is an angle like 20 degree, and this is a frictionless surface. Here we have to attach some mass. So we have given some mass. So you have to calculate using the formula. At this much degree, it is moving up to this much distance, putting this much weight. So there is a calculation of incline of mass, and it is given over the model. We have to remove all these things, and you can see all the part out. So this is the lungs. Then here you can see heart, then liver, then stomach, then intestine. At the back side there is a backbone also. You can take it all the parts, then you can fit it all inside. So here you can also remove the eyes. You can teach the student and give the task to put it to a certain location. So this is the lever activity. So here we have given some physical weight. This physical weight can be used in this also. and then in this also, and in this pulley also. So you have to attach all the weights and see how it is going from one side to another side. So we have 2 weight boxes. Then we are having this Newton's third law of motion, action reaction. So now every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So you want to see this is Newton's third law of motion. This is a floating magnet. They all are repelling to each other, so that's why they are floating. Because same poles repel each other. Now this is for the stopwatch is here for the pendulum thing. So just like this, suspend the pendulum and calculate the oscillation and check that stopwatch. There is a length, there is a calculation of the height. Then you have to put it all in the formula, and then you can check the values. Fast moving images are there. Our eyes are not able to capable to make difference between the first, second, third images. It appears it is like a video. This is the concept of video. Earlier they were using some pictures and they put a picture in a very fast frame. It appears different horse pictures. Now what I will do? You have to look from this angle here. When you see horse is running, you have to look from this angle. Can you see horse is running? Why? Because it is moving very fast. So our eyes are not, making differentiate between the first, second, third images. So it appears like they are moving. The size of the pipe will make different noises. Right? So different heights. First row. Every action. Every object will stay in rest or in motion until or unless some external force applied to it.
Inertia. Jadatva.
That means for the relation between the volume between the tube and the sphere. This is 10 grams. So it is having number of shapes. So their number of shapes have been given here. So you can design anyone. Like suppose if you want to make a cat. So what we will do? You can make any animal. So we will take this. So the cat model is making it. This cat. This is the cat model. Cat model. So this cat. This will be the tail. Then one triangle like this. Like this. This will be here.
Cat.
So in this way you can make multiple patterns. So there are different colors if you want different colors for this. This is a 10 gram activity. One sphere. So there are multiple shapes have been given. And then so this is the geoboard. So difference is showing 1 centimeter. So suppose if you have to make a square of 4 centimeters, we can make a triangle, we can make a pentagon, octane, octane with these numbers. And these are some fractional discs like 1 by 10, then 1 by 9, 1 by 8, 1 by 7, 1 by 6, 1 by 5, 1 by 4, so on. This one is the board. Now here we are having this decimal and Baker's kit. Because already I am using this like Baker's kits. So I am not taking much time. And here there are a group of 14 to 15 activities. And with this the manual is given. So you have to follow the manuals to perform the activities. the manual is given for each and every activity, area of parallelogram, so area of acute triangle. So in this way, so they have given the steps. Suppose area of parallelogram like this. The first step is this, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and then this formula get verified. So here you can see area of acute triangle. This is the cube identity, the same one. This one cube. Suppose if you want to make 10 centimeters, so you can use these cubes for making this. Then area of parallelogram is here. So there are 10-15 activities related to the area. So you have to follow this instruction one by one. So steps are being given. In the same way, this part is given and the name is mentioned on every activity. Things. And here we also given play cards related to every activity.